Mastering perfect consistency in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English for you. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, perfect consistency. It's a term you might encounter in various contexts, from cooking to sports, and even personal development. But what does it really mean, especially for English language learners? Let's break it down together, ensuring you can use it confidently in your conversations and writing. Perfect consistency refers to the state of being completely uniform, stable, and unchanging over time. It's when something is always the same, showing no variation. In English, we often use this phrase to admire the reliability and steadiness of an action, quality, or product. For example, in cooking, if a sauce has perfect consistency, it means its texture is exactly right and uniform throughout. In a broader sense, when we say a person has perfect consistency in their behavior or performance, we're praising their ability to maintain a high standard without faltering. Why is consistency so valued? Consistency is key to trust, reliability, and predictability. In language learning, for instance, consistent practice is crucial for improvement. Consistency allows for measurement, improvement, and the setting of expectations. When something or someone is consistent, it's easier to make plans, predictions, and trust in outcomes. Achieving perfect consistency is a goal many strive for, whether in personal habits, work output, or creative endeavors. Here are a few tips. Set clear goals. Know what you're aiming for to maintain focus. Establish routines. Regular habits pave the way for consistent outcomes. Monitor progress. Keep track of your achievements and areas for improvement. Seek feedback. Constructive criticism helps refine and maintain consistency. Adapt and evolve. Being consistent doesn't mean being inflexible. Adjust as necessary to maintain your standard. For English learners, achieving perfect consistency in learning can accelerate progress. This means practicing daily, even if it's just a few minutes. Consistently expanding your vocabulary and using new words in sentences. Regularly listening, speaking, reading, and writing in English to maintain a balanced skill set. Perfect consistency is more than just a phrase. It's a principle that can guide you towards excellence in any field, including English language learning. By understanding its meaning and applying the concept to your studies, you can achieve remarkable progress and reliability in your skills. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate the value of consistency. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll see the results in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.